Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Roblox security threat detected error on PC in a safe and easy way. This warning usually appears when an antivirus or Windows security mistakenly flags Roblox files as harmful. First, close Roblox completely and make sure it is not running in Task Manager. Now, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and click on Protection History to check what was blocked. If Roblox files were quarantined, restore them and mark them as allowed. Next, go back to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and open Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions and add a new exclusion for the Roblox folder so it won't be flagged again. The default Roblox folder is usually located in the Local App Data directory. After that, open your antivirus software if you're using a third-party one, and add Roblox as an exception there as well. Now, restart your computer to apply all security changes properly. Once your system restarts, open your browser and reinstall Roblox from the official website only, avoiding any third-party sources. Right-click the installer and run it as administrator to prevent permission conflicts. Also, make sure your Windows system and antivirus definitions are fully up to date, since outdated databases can cause false detections. If you are using a VPN or network filter, disable it temporarily while installing. After completing these steps, launch Roblox again. The Security Threat Detected message should no longer appear, and Roblox should run normally without being blocked by your system. Subscribe the channel for more videos.